Hi guys and welcome to today's video. So today I have more gameplay for you. Sorry for the break, but I'll be posting a channel update here on this channel so you don't have to listen to me ranting about something else than Airsoft related in this video. So let's just get into it. This is still the event from the last few episodes of Civil War 2016 Volume 2 held at Blackby, which is a military training facility in Denmark. So this is a really cool event that we went to for a bit over 2 months ago, but really exciting. Right now we are actually, me, Visgor and Søby are doing some reconnaissance. So we are trying to flank around the enemy, try to get in their backyard and see if we can get some reconnaissance done. Maybe get some information led on to some of our teammates about enemy activity and stuff. So let's just watch the video and see what happens. Søby is taken out and we need to figure out where the enemies are so we can get him back to safety and kill the rest of the enemies.
Jeg tror den ene er løbet.
Right now we are just laying down and we are waiting for the enemy to advance so we can take them out while moving. And as you probably could hear there, Visgor just got one of the enemies for trying to advance, and I am trying to wait out and see if I can see some more enemies moving up. Pretty effective tactic. As you can see there, we know there are more enemies up ahead, but we need to get Søby before the time of his bleed out runs out. Normally we're way more guys moving up together, but right now we are only 2 guys left, so slow and steady wins the race. Luckily, dragging Søby out there, no one shot me in the back, so that was pretty good. Now we just need to get him medic back up, which we already have done in this clip here, and we are trying to advance, taking a different route to get into the enemy's backyard. If you can't already tell, this gameplay here is gonna be really slow paced compared to some of the other Brækby videos that I've posted, but I thought it would be really interesting to show you some other type of gameplay where you're not running around throwing bombs and shooting at everyone, but you're instead trying to take a totally different route and tactic to combat the enemy.
Jeg så en civil dernede lige før, men de går bare forbi.
Yeah, right now, Viscor is actually laying down, chilling on his back, but that is because his leg is cramping up, so we need to take a pause and see what we can do about it, get him ready, and then we can move on.
Kramper i benene. I læggene, eller hvad?
So what I do is that I do support him, try to put up his leg a bit to lift it up into the air to try and help him out a little bit with stretching the muscles.
Hvordan? Det er ikke læggen, vel?
Nej, men det er bare lige for at få det opad.
Ja. Så sætter jeg mig derovre her. Bare for lige Vi venter lige, han ligger lige lidt ned, så jeg hopper lige derover og giver sikring på den anden side.
Viscor is back up and ready, so now we need to move on.
Se, der går folk. De gik ind mod Brækby. Det gik folk ved vores klokken 12 ind mod Brækby. Så mens det er en person.
So now we're moving on further up to the enemy's assembly area, so now we need to keep quiet. We're actually so close to the enemies right now that in a minute you'll be able to hear the enemies speaking, so we are really watching out for our footsteps not to make any noise at all. Okay, so after we got into position here, we stayed here for a bit over an hour, I believe. You can actually see how it gets dark later on in the next clip I'll show you. Nothing more of interest happened on the video itself, plus I did have to turn off my camera sometimes because it was really low on battery and I didn't have my power bank with me because I was not wearing my helmet with my counterweight on. But we stayed there and we had some instances with multiple enemies, more than 20 at a time, moving straight past us, and we could report on the radio what happened to our teammates. So that was really crucial for a lot and was really interesting mission to try out as well, for trying out something different. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to hit that thumbs up button. Also comment if you have any questions about the video or anything else. I love when you guys comment on my videos. We can start a conversation, so that's really great. Share my videos, it helps spreading the word a lot, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these types of videos. See ya.